Let's test. Something went wrong. I think we're back. Should be back. You see the audio playing. All right. Here we go. Yeah, I should probably post on LinkedIn that I'm live. So we're just gonna continue from last time. We had a big issue last time. If we tried to put the images into the URL and it didn't work. Apparently there's a limit to the URLs. Okay, I think we have everything ready. All right. So let's see. Last time we had this. Okay, the audio is actually pretty loud. I hope it's not too loud on the stream. Maybe I'll put it down here. Okay. Okay, that's better. Now I can hear myself what I'm thinking. All right, let's see what we did last time. We can create new slides, select new slide. We can add a new text, we can edit. And then let's go to local storage. Need more. Okay, we're not saving anything yet. Okay, this should probably be cleared out. Wait. Okay, we are creating one slide for each of these. That's good. But we are deleting these for now. Should not be creating two anymore. Oh wait, I'm not sharing my screen. Okay. Why can I not get rid of these? Keep coming back. Whoa. What is happening? I can't get rid of it. All right, interesting. What is happening? How does it keep recreating these? I'm pretty confused how it's doing this. Oh, I didn't realize we still have this working. The URL was saving the state. Okay, so we have to clear and then clear the URL. What? There we go. Okay. Maybe we can just call save after deleting everything. It should work. Application, fresh. Ah. Okay, if I refresh, this is still saved. We have this clear all data. Refresh. That didn't work. Can I put this? There you go. Okay. So let me see, clear all data. Doesn't clear it. That's fine. That works. Okay, so now we have a function to clear everything if we need to. All right. Tools. Okay, add text. We add a text, we make it content editable. Yeah. And then we append the text to the slide. And then here, I guess we should already save. No reason not to. On input, we save again. Can also do let is moving equals false. Might turn this into a state object afterwards. For now, I'll stick with this. Yeah, okay. So text.add and listener, mouse down, yeah. We'll do is moving equals true. And I will do text.add event listener, yeah. And then when we move the mouse, we want to change the X and Y position. So it starts at 50 and 50. And then I guess depending on the movement, it should change. That's not what I wanted. If it's not moving, return. Return. Have an early return here. We'll console log E, because I'm not sure what we can use here. All right, so when we place something here, I can click and drag. We get all of these. It's a mouse event. We have client X, client Y. $348. 48. That was barely a movement. Maybe from here. 345. So there I moved for 3 pixels, I guess. All right. I'll do, let's move state. No. State equals is moving. Starting X is 0 and starting Y is also 0. So these will be state move state dot is moving. Or mouse down, we'll do move state. Yep. And move state dot starting Y equals count Y. In here we can get rid of that, and then we'll do const dx, that's delta x is whatever the current client x is minus the x from before, and we can determine how much movement we have. That doesn't really help though. Does it? Okay, wait. Now let's do this. So every time we need to get whatever its position currently is and then move it. I want the movement to be percentage based, and I don't think this would work very well, because I want it to be very responsive. Yeah, top left 50%. I want it to be percentage based. This gives us the pixels. I guess we can move it using pixels whenever you're moving. And then whenever you let go, we transform that into percentages. I don't know how else this could work. Maybe while we move, we change. Yeah, if you change percentage, it could move more than the mouse. I don't like that. So I think we'll do that. Yeah. Could use GSAP for the animation, although this is setting, so I don't think it's a big difference. Yeah, move the left and the top. Should already be working for movement. Okay. And this be minus. Yeah, this isn't really working. So I accidentally made the meme where there's a button that you can't click. Okay. Yes. And we'll do the same for the top. So we convert to pixels, and then we can use pixels here. I don't know if this is enough to fix it already. It is not. That is very interesting. I guess because it's listening for movements only inside of the container. And we should be listening on the entire canvas instead. Hello, NBC of all Gaia. Hello. I hope the audio is working over there on Twitch. That's not supposed to happen. All right. Hold on, Copilot. I need to think. You can see and hear me. Nice. Good to hear. Hello, thank you for coming. I'm trying to build like a slider app, and I want to be able to add a text and move it around. How did you find me, by the way? Did you come from LinkedIn? You looked at game dev streams and found me. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. Not exactly game dev, but maybe similar. Why the hell is client top 1? That makes sense. Okay, I need this. Should be left. We get the new X and Y. I guess this is not DX anymore. Don't think we need this anymore, so we can just set this to X and then top to Y. Let's see, we do this. That still jumps. Okay, client X over here is this to here, and then this to here, and if we remove them, we get this. Oh. Wait, what? Okay, I see. Clicking for some reason breaks it. Because a mouse down. Oh, that's why. Okay, almost there. Can move it now. Then on mouse up, we can save. Wait, where did I put the? This, okay. I don't need starting at. Hold on. I don't need these. Oh. All right. Thinking to pad it around with another div and then make that div movable so that you can keep your mouse in it. Although I should probably add it to the whole canvas. I don't love the idea. Maybe if I just change this to slide. So the movement will be on the slide, but the up and down, the mouse down and mouse up will be on the slide itself. I should really do something to keep the text there. There we go. Nice. Yeah, that's much nicer. And then instead of const x and y, we'll just do move state dot x dot y. So I can probably just call it state. Actually, no, I think we already have states. No, we don't. Okay, good. And then on mouse up, we save the state. So we can do, what is it? Oh, there we go. Okay, it does need an ID here. Okay. Because I don't have any way to find it right now. So we'll do ID. I will do that. Actually, I will save the ID first. Element ID equals that. And here we'll use element ID. Now we can use that. On mouse up, we can do current slide data.find using element ID. We change the X. Then we do the same to change the Y. Okay, this is probably full of stuff here. Yep. It's being saved because it's saved on the URL. What did I do this time? Just want to get rid of the hash. Okay. I'm gonna add one piece of text. Why can I not move it around anymore? Wait, what did I change? What did I do? Never on insecure contexts. There. Okay, it does have an ID. Why did it suddenly stop moving around? Is moving is true. Okay. It's true, then oh, okay. Of course. So using JavaScript. Okay. Let me clear the context again. Why does it keep doing this? All right. Okay. I put it here. We should have the saved X and Y, but we do not. Current slide. Wait, what am I even doing here? Oh, it did change. I just didn't save. Save. Okay. Alright, we're saving this, and then I just want to load it so that I can see that I'm doing this correct. One sec. Okay, we get the saved slides. Right, here's where we create the slides. For each slide, we create a button, we add a thumbnail. And we initialize with the data. Okay. We have data. Current ID equals slide data.id. Okay. Okay. Add to slide. Okay. Need to check this in a bit. Current data. But this is just the data that we're getting. We don't need this. Right, then current ID, what is this? Okay. Okay. What am I doing? Why do I need this? Okay, we have the data. We clear the slide. And then we add the data into the slide. So let's do case data type. It's text. No. Did I forget how switch case works? Switch. Oh my god, how does switch case work? Case, this, something, and then break. Right? Pretty sure that's how it works. Alright, so I'll have case text, and I'll have case shape. Also break. I feel like turning off Copilot because it's turning off my brain a little bit. Several completions, okay. Okay, so if it's text, let's see what we have. Oh, we don't have it anymore. Type text, we have X, Y, ID, and content. So we'll do const text element equals document create element. Let's make a div. Append text element. We'll do text element dot style dot left is data dot x. Then we just change this to top and y, and then we do text element dot inner text to data dot content. Cool. And then we can also add the ID just in case we need to reference it and I can't easily do it from inside the same functions. So do text element dot data set dot ID equals data dot ID. Okay. Let's do that element. New element. Wait, I just realized this assumes I have one item. Data is a list. Where is it? Slide data to data. Slide data. Yeah, it is an array. Okay, that's why I thought it was a string. Just put some context here. Content string ID string type text or shape. X is a number, Y is also a number. Do we get some nice auto completion here? Data. No, apparently I broke it. That should work. All right. I was getting the type earlier, I thought it would keep it. Okay, I want to do this with JavaScript. I have no idea if I can save this type in JavaScript and then reuse it. I'm guessing I can't. Not great, but whatever. So after all of these happen, just to default in case none of these happen, if it doesn't match text or shape, should throw an error. What am I pressing? New error. Invalid data type. And after this, if it doesn't throw, should completely throw off the function, I think. But otherwise we just do new element or append slide. No, should be slide or append new element. And in here it should be in new element. New. Cool. And then we need all of this logic, all of these somehow to get in there. Oh man, this is becoming a mess. Guess we could call add text, and if we have anything passed in, we can set these already to something else. Okay, let me just see if this works first. Oh, invalid data type. Great. All right, because this is a list. Data dot for each item. We'll do the switch case. Just replace data with item. Not that one. Fresh. Oh my god. Need to create an element here. There's a div, save. Let me refresh again. Oh, we have two text blocks with the wrong left and right. Wait, this should have plus pixel plus pixels. Really? Well, this has left 50, top 50. But it's not. Oh, wait, did I have a class for texts? No, I just set it to absolute. Okay. Position. Oh, style. Absolute. This. And then I need to do this. Close enough. 50 and 50. Is that where they supposed to be though? Why does it keep opening this in a new tab? What is happening? Okay. We add this. We move it to like over here. Refresh. There you go. Oh, sorry, I just saw your the messages in YouTube. Hello, this is very interesting. Would you mind explaining the VS Code setup? You're basically creating a web app using Webflow as a base and inject the needed functionality via CDN to make the web app pages work via it. Kind of. It's not on a CDN yet. First of all, welcome, Rodrigo Santos. Oh, sorry. Currently, this is local, so this is just on localhost. And then I have this. Yes, I built this in Webflow, the UI, and I just have my localhost over here. I'm injecting the main.js file, and this is running on Vite. So Vite is running a local server, and I've connected it with a script to the local server, and I'm just doing the updates like this faster. I don't know how long ago you sent those messages. I think you're gone now, but that's fine. But this seems to be working. It comes back, but I can't move it. Although ideally, whenever we're moving text, Ruben, Michael, hello. So here the X is the position here. I need to do this X. My brain is not braining. Hold on. We need to get the width of the slide. Right? And then we do the width of the slide divided by this. Should get us the percent. Hold on. So the left is 366. And if we do like 500 divided by 366, how are you doing, Ruben? Oh, the other way around. Okay, why am I doing 500? Should be 755. Yeah, that gives us the percentage. No, there's no inner width, right? If I do stars global, no. Offset width, wait. Yeah. You're doing great. How am I doing? I'm doing pretty well. I'm a bit tired Friday and I had a lot of things, but I'm doing all right. What project is this? So this is, I'm making like a slider creator, like a PowerPoint kind of. I built the UI using Webflow and I'm writing the logic for it now. And what's different about this from PowerPoint or something similar is that it saves all the data locally, not to a database. And then it also saves it in the URL as a hash, like it encrypts all the data into the URL. And then you can send it to someone, and just through the URL, they will get the same content as that you created. And initially, I wanted to keep it simple and make the slides just images. But as soon as you had more than 2 images, the URL would get too big because you cannot encrypt large images into very small text. And we ran into like the limit of the URL length, which is I think 2,000 or 3,000 characters. So I had to ditch the idea of images, and now we're working on text and shapes. And I'm working out some last details for the text. Hopefully this will be ready soon, at least for the text. Yeah, so now I'm saving the X and Y position as a percentage. Then here should be able to just do percent and percent. And I need to make sure I delete the old ones. Okay. So I'm making a new text block, new cool block. Then we move it over here. And then I refresh. Oh, that's not good. Oh, hold on. I need to multiply that by 100 times 100. Amazing idea. Yes, images in basic for. Yeah. I actually never ran into that error before. It was pretty funny. Let me get rid of that. Wait, I need to delete this from local search first. All right, so if this works, that would be great. So I move it here, and we also change the text to cool. Refresh. There we go. And it's based on percentage, so I should be able to like resize, and it should keep its position. That's pretty close. Actually, that's, yeah, pretty good. The only thing left is making sure the size depends on the parent, because now the size is fixed. I think I did some preparations for this last time. Should have container here. Yeah, container is slide size. So let me see what size I need to give it. So let's do font size. I know where to start. Maybe 1 CQW. 2 CQW? Okay, 2.5 as a default looks good. So now with this, okay, I think it's still not perfect, but it's pretty good. Yeah, I'll take it. I think this works well. Everything resizes, refresh, stays there. Cool. Nice, nice, nice. What time is it? Oh, it's already 8. I think that's my time for today. That was really fun. The only thing that I had left was reinitializing the text. I basically just need to take this, not this. Yeah, actually this whole thing over here. It would be nice if I just take the add text, and if I pass something in here, instead of using 50%, I would use the data. Yeah, I think that's the way to go. Yeah, I'll quickly do it now. Right? If we do data here. Data.x, does it exist? If we have data, we do data.x. This should be null by default. Otherwise it's 0. data, data.y, otherwise 0. And then actually, this is something that I use to make for the pixel values. So we should probably remove this from here. Go over here to that. If there's no data, push this. Where's the ID? Element ID. That should be pretty good. Hello, Soper. I'm about to finish today's session, but I think we had a pretty good success, I would say. Let's see, ID. If we have data.id, now if we have data, we'll use data ID, otherwise we'll create one. What am I looking at? I'm looking at the app that I was building last time, which is like a slideshow app, but all the data is local in your browser. But also, it saves everything into the URL as a hash, and it encrypts your state. So you can send over the URL, and someone else will look at the same thing you're looking at. IndexedDB. No, it's not IndexedDB. I'm just using local storage here because I thought it would be much simpler. But if I see that it gets full very fast, then I might have to switch to IndexedDB. But for now, I want to keep it as simple as possible and make sure we can work. Data exists, then data.x, otherwise 50. Data.y. Let's see. I think that should work. If we just pass in now the function instead of doing all of this. Where the content. Contents, otherwise this. So now I should be able to get rid of all of this. And do add text, and we'll just put no, item. Why do I feel like I'm missing something? Am I adding it into the slide? I am adding it to the slide. All right, I guess that's it. Oh, but we're appending it here. Again. Okay, let's get rid of this for now. Yeah, if we always have a function like this, then we don't need this. Refresh. Why is it up there? There is no thing. I feel like you're missing something because code is meant to work with our head. It's meant to make you question yourself why you even exist. That's fair. That's fair. But I feel like that was a very good observation from my part because something is wrong. Let me see the state in here. Data. Text block. We do have an X and a Y. We have text, we have X, we have Y. Then why did it not work? Some people are just better. Let me see. I think the data is not coming through in the way that I think it is. Let me refresh. No, it is. Content ID type text XY. So over here, add text. Okay, it comes through. Creates a div. Does this. Position absolute. Style the top. If we have data, then we get data.x, which is this. Oh wait, data.x. Nothing is changing on your screen. Is my screen frozen? Let me see. Restart capture. Okay, it was frozen. Thank you for letting me know. That seems to be working now, I think. Yes, do you see the changes now? Okay. Wait, here. I think all I forgot was the percentage over here. Classic. Refresh. There we go. And I can even move it. And now if I refresh, okay, it moved a little bit. It's not very accurate for some reason, but we're almost there. Oh, I think it's because I'm moving it by 50%. If I move it here, if I refresh, it'll probably be over here. Like this will be the new center. No? What did I do? Wait, I'm setting the top to X and the left to Y. It should be the other way around. Okay. This time, this will be correct. I put it over here. Oh wow. I don't like that, but it's fine. I'll put it here in the corner. I refresh, it should stay in the corner. There we go. It works. Can I change this to cool? Refresh. There we go. Ooh, can I add a new one now? Will it work? All right. Well, the happiness only lasts so long before things start breaking. I cannot add a new piece of text. Let's see. Thank you, Super, Alex, and Ruben. Michael. And who else do we have? We had NCV of all Gaia and Rodrigo Santos. We did nothing. Oh, you were here. Thank you for being here. Fresh. Boom. And now all the data for this is saved in this string. Is it not a huge string? Hold on. This. And then I do slides. JSON.stringify slides. Okay. But I guess this is kind of shorter when you see it like this, but when you encode it for the URL, all the escaping will make it longer than this one. I was going to say the raw data is smaller than the encrypted data. Short URL it. Oh, you mean put it in a short URL thing? All the JavaScript is on my local host for now. Although I could throw it somewhere now. Let me throw it into the thing. And then I can send a link. You can play around with it. This is not supposed to be working here. I'll get rid of this. Going to give me a virus and attack my PC. How did you know? That's gonna be one huge JSON file when you make a normal presentation. It is. It's gonna be a pretty long URL. Last time I did it, I was trying to make images. Like instead of the square here, I had an image. You could upload an image. So I uploaded 3 images that were like 30 something kilobytes each. And I got an error that I haven't gotten before, which was like an error from Google that the request size was too large because it had like a few tens of thousands of characters in the URL. Nice, it works. Here you go. Here is your link. Your gigantic link that is definitely not going to hack you. I'm going to find my secret sandy cheeks. Great work. Thank you, Ruben. Yeah, that's a pretty big URL. But you know what? It's beautiful. It has all of this saved into it. I realize I cannot select text because it's gonna move around. We gotta figure something out. I think I'm gonna put like a... Whenever you put a text, it should have like a thing. When you click in, it gives you an icon and you can use the icon to move it around. Because clicking and dragging it is very cursed. But that's it. I'm gonna call it a day. I have some work to finish because we have some very fun clients. What can I say? Oh, hello. You short URL'd it. Thank you. Perfect. Yeah. Thank you all for being here. Whoever participated. You were here, but you didn't participate. It's fine. You're cool too.